chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in the kitchen. So we have some smoked turkey wings right here. Already chopped. We have the instant mashed potatoes, can of green beans. You know I can't leave that shrimp out. So this is my Sunday dinner. We about to make it happen real good in this good kitchen. You hear me? Okay, so we fixed to make our little rub for our turkey wings, our smoked turkey wings. We're gonna do a tablespoon oregano, herb, a tablespoon of Italian, tablespoon of that paprika, and I say a teaspoon of that Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Make sure your butter's room temperature. Salted butter. We'll use some of this Husky liquid to smoke. Mix that in. So this is our rub right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we'll go ahead and put this in this water, let it boil, 1.5 to 2 hours. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven. Okay, so with our shrimp, we'll go ahead and just give it a light little seasoning, then we'll let it sit in the refrigerator. Give it a nice color. Then we'll add a little bit of hickory right there. Boom. Now we close that up, and that's going in the refrigerator. Okay, so here go 1.5 hours. We have our turkey broth. I can make a soup or make anything with this right here. So we're gonna put this to the side. We'll let that cool down and we're gonna stir that for a different meal. That's why I didn't add no salt or anything to it. Alright. rub everything in. I have my oven preheated, 375. It'll get probably like about 2 hours, if that. Alright, so we'll do the same thing with this also. We'll go ahead and rub all that down. We'll wrap everything up individual. Okay, here go the smoked turkey. All wrapped up. Going in the oven just like this. 375 preheat. For an hour and a half to 2 hours. Last 30 minutes or 20 minutes, we go throw the shrimp in there. So these are the shrimps right here. My Sunday dinner. Okay, so here we go right here. Delicious Sunday dinner. That smoked turkey, fire. When I say it's fire, this is so good. This is why I did it. Man, follow them same steps. If you know in the kitchen, or if you've been in the kitchen, follow them same steps. Boil it for an hour and 30 minutes. Throw it in the oven for 2 hours. Or an hour and 30 minutes. However you want to do it. Make it happen. When I say that's just so fire, it's fire. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit nice.